So you want to turn any wall into a massive movie screen? Well, I've spent the last month testing 5 of the hottest portable projectors, and let me tell you, some of these blew my mind, while others, well, let's just say they're going back to Amazon. I'm about to save you hundreds of dollars and weeks of research because I've found the perfect projector for every budget and situation. And if you see one you love, I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Anker Nebula Capsule 3 laser, and honestly, this thing is like magic in a can. I'm not even exaggerating. This projector is literally the size of a large soda can, but it packs some serious punch. The laser technology is what really sets it apart from other ultra-portable projectors. We're talking about 300 ANSI lumens of brightness, which might not sound like much, but trust me, it's more than enough for a darkroom movie night. The image quality is surprisingly crisp for something this tiny, and the colors are vibrant thanks to that laser light source. What really blows my mind about the Capsule 3 is how they managed to cram Android TV 11 into this little cylinder. You've got Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, all your favorite streaming apps right there without needing any external devices. The built-in speakers are actually decent too. Not audiophile quality, but way better than you'd expect from something this compact. The autofocus feature works like a charm, and the automatic keystone correction means you don't have to fiddle around getting the perfect angle. I've been using this for camping trips and backyard movie nights, and it's been absolutely perfect for those situations. Now, the Capsule 3 laser will set you back around $799 to $899, which I know sounds steep for such a small device, but you're paying for that cutting-edge laser technology and the ultimate in portability. When you consider that most quality portable projectors are in the $500 to $800 range anyway, and this one gives you true portability without sacrificing too much image quality, it's actually pretty reasonable. The battery life is solid at about 2.5 hours, which is perfect for a full movie. If you're someone who values portability above all else and doesn't mind paying a premium for convenience, the Capsule 3 is absolutely worth it. Taking the number 4 spot is the XGime Mo Go 2 Pro, and let me tell you, this projector has completely changed my perspective on what portable entertainment can be. The Android TV 11 integration is absolutely seamless. It's like having a smart TV that you can take anywhere. The interface is smooth, responsive, and honestly feels more polished than some actual smart TVs I've used. With 400 ANSI lumens, it's noticeably brighter than the Capsule 3, which means you can get away with using it in slightly brighter environments without the image washing out completely. The build quality on the Mo Go 2 Pro is fantastic. It feels premium without being overly heavy. The gimbal design is genius because it lets you tilt and angle the projector without having to stack books or find the perfect surface. The autofocus and auto keystone correction work flawlessly, and the image stabilization is surprisingly good. I've been using this for outdoor movie nights, and the 90-inch projection capability creates this incredible cinematic experience. The Harman Kardon speakers are legit too. They actually have some bass response, which is rare for portable projectors. At around $549 to $649, the Mo Go 2 Pro hits that sweet spot between performance and affordability. You're getting premium features like that gimbal design, excellent smart TV functionality, and solid image quality without breaking the bank. The 2.5-hour battery life is respectable, and the fact that it can double as a Bluetooth speaker when you're not projecting is a nice bonus. The only downside is that it's a bit larger than some ultra-portable options, but the trade-off in features and image quality is totally worth it. If you want the best Android TV experience in a portable projector, this is your pick. Number 3 on our list is the Vonic M2E, and this is where things get really interesting in terms of pure image quality. Vonic has been in the projector game for decades, and that experience really shows with the M2E. We're talking about 1000 ANSI lumens here, which is significantly brighter than the previous 2 options. This means you can actually use this projector in rooms with some ambient light and still get a watchable image. The LED light source produces incredibly accurate colors, and the contrast ratio is noticeably better than most portable projectors in this price range. The M2E really shines when it comes to versatility. It's got every connection you could possibly need: USB-C, HDMI, even a microSD card slot. The built-in media player is surprisingly capable, and while it doesn't have the smart TV features of Android-based projectors, it makes up for it with rock-solid performance and compatibility. The Harman Kardon speakers are excellent, providing rich, full sound that actually has some depth to it. I've been using this for work presentations during the day and movie nights after dark, and it handles both scenarios beautifully. Priced between $399 and $499, the M2E offers incredible value for anyone who prioritizes image quality over smart features. You're getting professional-grade brightness and color accuracy at a price that won't make your wallet cry. The 30,000-hour LED lifespan means this projector will literally last you years without any maintenance. The only real downside is the lack of built-in streaming apps, but honestly, with a Roku stick or Chromecast, that's easily solved. If you want the best possible image quality in a portable package and don't mind handling streaming through external devices, the M2E is absolutely the way to go. Coming in at number 2 is the Samsung Freestyle 2nd generation, and holy moly, this thing is packed with features that'll blow your mind. Samsung has basically reimagined what a portable projector can be, and the result is this incredibly versatile device that's part projector, part smart speaker, part ambient lighting system. The 550 ANSI lumens provide solid brightness, and the auto-leveling feature is pure genius. You can literally point this thing at any surface, even the ceiling, and it'll automatically adjust the image to be perfectly rectangular. It's like having a personal AV technician built right in. What sets the Freestyle apart is Samsung's Tizen Smart TV platform, which is honestly one of the best streaming experiences you can get. It's got all the major apps, the interface is intuitive, and it integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices if you're in that ecosystem. The 360-degree sound is surprisingly immersive, and the ambient mode that turns it into a decorative light when you're not watching anything is such a cool touch. I love that it can run on a USB-C power bank, which means true portability for camping or outdoor events. The gaming mode with low input lag is also a nice bonus for console gaming. The Freestyle 2nd generation typically runs between $649 and $799. And while that's definitely on the pricier side, you're getting so much more than just a projector. It's like buying a smart speaker, ambient light, and projector all in one package. The build quality is excellent, the design is genuinely attractive, and the feature set is unmatched in the portable projector space. The only consideration is that the brightness isn't as high as some competitors, so you'll want to use it in darker environments for the best experience. If you want the most feature-rich portable projector on the market and don't mind paying for premium innovation, the Freestyle is absolutely worth it. And taking the #1 spot is the Epson Epic Vision Mini EF12. And honestly, this projector is in a league of its own. Epson has been dominating the projector market for years, and the EF12 shows exactly why. With 1000 ANSI lumens and Epson's legendary 3 LCD technology, the image quality is absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the overall picture quality rivals projectors that cost twice as much. What really impresses me is how they managed to pack all this performance into such a compact form factor without compromising on the things that matter most. The EF12 runs Android TV 10, so you've got all your streaming apps right there, but it's the overall user experience that really sets it apart. The laser autofocus is lightning fast, the keystone correction is precise, and the whole system just feels polished and professional. The Yamaha speakers are genuinely impressive. They have real depth and clarity that makes the built-in audio actually usable for movies. I've been using this for everything from backyard movie nights to work presentations, and it handles every scenario beautifully. The HDR10 support means your Netflix and Disney Plus content looks absolutely incredible. At around $899 to $999, the EF12 is definitely an investment. But you're getting flagship-level performance in a portable package. The build quality is exceptional. The image quality is unmatched in this category, and the feature set is comprehensive without being overwhelming. The 3 LCD technology gives you better color accuracy than most LED projectors, and the 20,000-hour laser light source means minimal maintenance. If you want the absolute best portable projector experience and are willing to pay for it, the EF12 is hands down the winner. It's the projector I'd recommend to anyone who wants cinema-quality entertainment wherever they go.